All right, y'all, we're here at 4014 Murphy Road looking at Cobalt's newest designer home. Let's take a look. All right, y'all, we're here in Sylvan Park, right off Murphy Road, standing in the office of Cobalt's newest spec designer build. We've got the honeycomb ceiling with the accent color. The office is right off the entry, perfect for somebody that's working from home, great view, great lighting. This house has all the things. It's got 2 outdoor living spaces, primary suite downstairs, which I love, 3 full bedrooms upstairs, 3 full bathrooms upstairs, got a half bath down, half bath up, bonus room, movie room, about 4,000 square feet. It is legit. So starting in the kitchen, you'll notice all designer selections from Heather Broyles. The blue island with the great granite countertops and all the gold fixtures. It's got the panel-ready dishwasher, fridge, hidden pantry, access to your living room, your dining room, and your outdoor living. It is perfect as far as kitchens go. All right, so you'll notice one thing that I love. It's got the champagne bronze finish, which is like a lighter gold, and then we've got gold accents on our handles for the range here that plays off of the cabinet hardware and the fixtures throughout the kitchen. As I was saying, the kitchen opens up into this great living room with the custom fireplace surround. It also has got access to your outdoor living, so everyone's connected when you have guests or a big family. Let's go outside. This back porch is a signature for this home. It's starting to get colder, football season, entertainment spaces are very important, right? You've got TV, you've got the fireplaces, it's getting colder at night and in the mornings. I think this is the perfect spot for entertainment. And the layout of this outdoor patio is great because there's another deck right above it off the bonus room. The outdoor space in this architecture is really great. All right, so I'm here in the primary bedroom. You'll notice great views of Murphy Road, great lighting, trim detail in the trade ceiling. It looks great. This primary suite has 2 things that are my favorite. It's got an extra closet, maybe for winter stuff when you're going into summer or summer stuff when you're going into winter. It's also got access to the laundry room right off of the main closet. All right, so this primary bathroom has the oversized garden tub with the floor mount tub filler, dual vanities, you don't get in each other's way. You got the big custom shower with the handheld and really has all the amenities. Just a really nice bathroom, got everything you need. What I really like about this mudroom entryway right off of the garage is that you've got a coat closet, you've got bench area where you can throw your shoes in there, and then you've got access to the laundry room. So if you got kids with muddy boots or clothes, they can throw it straight in the laundry room. You've got access to the kitchen for your groceries. So there's just a lot going on in this little area that you can utilize. All right, so we're here in the bonus room. What I love about this bonus room, it's got the wet bar, it's got access to outdoor entertainment, it's got access to the movie room. It's very centrally located, so I think this is a very functional bonus room. You'll notice this upstairs deck is different and unique compared to the one below. The one below has the fireplace, this one doesn't. It's just got a TV area, but it's got the black accent. One's white, one's black. One's more for off of the bonus room, one's more for off the living room. So one's more formal, one's more fun. Really nice feature to this home. Y'all, thanks for checking out 4014 Murphy Road. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, all the things.